This is the video for the beginners of M.S.Excel who wish to know how to find the average for a set of scores. So I have opened an Excel sheet where I have typed a few scores of few students in the school. So I have the total score of these students also, which I have shared how to find the total in the previous video. And in this video we shall know how we can find the average of for these scores. So I am going to type the title as average, and I am going to place the cursor wherein I want want to find the average for this particular total, right? So first serial number possesses the name of Suma, where she has scored 96 in science, 98 in maths, social science 94, 92 in Kannada, 91 in English and 90 in Hindi. Totally she has scored 561. Okay, so for this score, if I want to find the average, what is that I have to do is I have to type the formula by placing my cursor in the formula bar. So I have, as in the last video I have already told you that if you want to type any formula, first you have to begin it by typing equals. After typing equals, you have to mention the cell address of the total for which you need to find the average. So the cell address of the total of Suma is L60. So I am going to type it as L60, right? After that I am going to type the division symbol by placing this bar. Okay, so for in how many subjects are considered here? So totally 6 subjects are considered. Okay, so I am going to type 6 and I am going to press this enter button. See, 93.4 is the average score of Suma. So if I want it to be calculated, the same thing to be done for the remaining scores, no need to type the formula again and again. So what I have to do is I have to just drag it. See what is going to happen. You can find the average scores displayed in the respective cell of each and every student. So this is how we can find the average for the set of scores that we have.